Extreme frugal living is a lifestyle choice that involves minimizing expenses and maximizing savings in order to achieve financial freedom and independence. It is not for everyone, but for those who are committed to this lifestyle. There are many tips and strategies that can help them succeed. One of the most important extreme frugal living tips is to have a clear financial plan and budget. This means setting specific financial goals, such as saving for retirement or paying off debt, and then developing a plan to reach those goals. This may involve cutting expenses, increasing income, or both. Another key tip is to minimize expenses as much as possible. This may involve cutting out non-essential expenses, such as cable television or subscription services, and finding ways to save on essential expenses, such as groceries and utilities. Extreme frugal living also involves being mindful about spending and avoiding impulse purchases. This means asking yourself whether a purchase is truly necessary and if it aligns with your financial goals. It also means being creative and resourceful when it comes to finding ways to save money. In addition to minimizing expenses and being mindful about spending, extreme frugal living also involves finding ways to increase income. This may involve taking on extra work or side hustles, negotiating for higher pay at your current job, or finding ways to monetize your skills or hobbies. Overall, extreme frugal living is a lifestyle choice that requires discipline, dedication, and creativity. It is not for everyone,